Hey guys, this is the part 6 of Python Crash Course series, and in this video I'm going to show you modules. Now modules make coding and refactoring a lot easier. Modules are like packages which are either pre-made or you can make them yourself. Now these modules have certain functions that you can call and use in your main function and use in your main file to do certain tasks. Now let's show you by creating a module. So a module is nothing but a simple Python file. Now what we can do is let's make some functions. First one is def. Let's add a comma b, do this. Now we're gonna return the sum of the two numbers. We're gonna do the same for subtraction, comma b. We're gonna return a minus b. We're gonna make multiplication, return into b, and we're gonna do division. So now in this file we have 4 functions. That is add, which is gonna return summation of two numbers, sub, which is gonna return the difference of two numbers, mul, which is gonna multiply two numbers, and div, which is a division of two numbers. Now we can make this. Now when we save this file, we have to make sure that we use the same folder where we are going to keep our main file. So let's hit save. I'm gonna use desktop, let's see, Python. Now I'm gonna say math. Okay, so it's gonna be math.py. So let's cut this out. Now go to the folder where you saved the previous file. Now we're gonna create another create another Python file. Let's go to ideally, hit new file, process up. Now let's import our file. So we can import math, and as we have imported math, we can use all the 4 functions that we have created before. So let's see, math.add, let's say 10, 20. Let's print it out. Let's see if that works. We're gonna save the file. Remember to save the file where you have saved the previous file. It was in desktop, Python. It's gonna be main. Okay, so save. Now let's run. Hey, math has no attribute, add. So just a note guys, the math file is already a module in Python, so we have to name it something other than math. So let's see, let's go with arith, short for arithmetic, and let's open up our main file, and we're gonna import arith. So we can do arith.add. I'm gonna hit save. 5. See, that gives us 30. The same way we can do arith.sub, save 5, it's gonna give minus 10. We're gonna do arith.mul, 5, it's gonna give us 200, and let's go with div 5, save, and it's gonna give us 0.5. So that's how modules work, and there are many other different modules in Python that you can use. They range from very basic networking modules to larger GUI modules like Kinter, and you can also use modules like Kiwi for user interfaces. And there are also modules for making websites like Flask and Django, which we will see later. So that's it for today. See you guys in the next one.